Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install SparkyLinux 7.2 on VMware 17. Now I am going to download SparkyLinux 7.2 version. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Type here, download SparkyLinux. Here it is, let's click on it. Click on first link, SparkyLinux download page. Let's drop down little bit. I am download stable version of SparkyLinux. Click close. Let's drop down little bit. Download SparkyLX AMD64 version. I am downloading SparkyLinux ISO file through torrent. Copy torrent link. I have already installed file download manager. Click on plus sign. Download path already cached, click OK. Click download. Now the downloading is started. It is 1.76 GB ISO file. This download will take some time, it's depend on your internet speed. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close FDM. Close web browser. Now I am going to create new virtual machine for SparkyLinux 7.2. Open VMware 17. Click on File, click Create New Virtual Machine. Click Next. I will install the operating system later. Click Next. Linux is already selected, let's drop down the Linux version. I will choose Debian 11x 64-bit version. Click Next. Click Browse. I will change the virtual machine default location. Click OK. Click Next. I will change maximum default disk size 20 GB to 40 GB. Click Next. RAM size is 2 GB is enough for this virtual machine. Click Customize hardware. Click Processor. Number of processor is 2. Click Close. Click Finish. Click on CD/DVD. Click Use ISO image file. Click Browse. Select ISO image file. Click Open. Click Network Adapter. Select Bridged. Replicate physical network directly to the physical network. Click OK. Click Power on this virtual machine. Press Enter to SparkyLinux US English. Let's double-click on SparkyLinux installer. Let's close on it. Click Execute. Welcome to the SparkyLinux 7 Orion Belt installer. Click Next. Select region and zone, Asia, Kolkata. Click Next. Keyboard model, leave as default. Click Next. Select Erase Disk, this will delete all data currently present on the selected storage device. Click Next. Type name, example RS. Set password. Retype password. Click Next. Click Install. The installation takes 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your settings. All done. Select Restart Now. Click Done. Press Enter. Now the installation is completed. Currently this machine no have installed graphics. I am going to install VMware tool in this machine for better graphics resolutions. Go to VMware toolbar. Right-click on machine, then select Install VMware Tools. Click Install. Click OK. Right-click on VMware Tools, select Open with X Archiver. Click Extract. Set the path to extract file. In my case I extract this VM tools on desktop. Let's close X Archiver. Close VM Tools. Right-click on Desktop, open in Terminal. Type sudo apt update. Press Enter. Type here RS password. Type sudo apt install open -vm -tools -desktop. Press Enter. Press Y to continue. Press Enter. Go to VMware toolbar. As you can see, now graphic driver is installed successfully. Type exit to exit terminal. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to download and install SparkyLinux 7.2 on VMware 17 Pro. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.